If you've been struggling with tinnitus, you've probably seen ads for the so-called Tinnito pen. It pops up everywhere, sometimes called the iPet Boom, Pacove, or Bath Vive pen. The promise? A miracle fix for that annoying ringing in your ears. All for the price of a lunch. So, is it a game changer, or just another scam? Here's the truth. The Tinnito pen is a real gadget you can buy. It's usually a plastic, battery-powered pen with a massage tip, claiming to use thermosensitive heat to improve blood flow and cure ear ringing. Sounds high-tech, right? But here's the catch. There is absolutely zero clinical evidence that rubbing this device on your ear can cure tinnitus. Medical experts agree, tinnitus is usually a neurological condition, not something that can be massaged or heated away. Plus, these pens show up under different brand names, with identical descriptions, and are often sold on websites that use fake 5-star reviews and countdown timers. Classic scam tactics. Now, some people say it helped them, but a lot of those reviews look suspiciously copy-pasted. Independent sites like Trustpilot are flooded with angry customers calling it a cruel joke and a waste of money. So, what actually works for tinnitus? Real audiologists recommend sound therapy, things like white noise or special apps to help your brain tune out the ringing. Cognitive behavioral therapy can also help you manage how tinnitus makes you feel. And for serious cases, FDA-cleared devices like Lanier use proven science, not gimmicks. Bottom line, the Tinnito pen is more hype than help. Save your money, skip the miracle pens, and talk to a medical professional about real solutions.